Our project has 2 seat support cleats, one on each side. This will add structural integrity to the seat when someone sits on it by helping prevent the seat from bending down when there is a lot of weight put on it. Although the plans call for our seat support cleat piece to be 3/4 by 2 3/4 by 15 3/4, we are going to verify these measurements with our actual project. Now, when the seat closes, I am sitting on the inside of my side rails. My seat thickness is about 0.8 inches. Calculating this would take some time, or we could just measure the back rail distance from where the seat meets the top edge to the storage bottom. And we can verify that back measurement with the corresponding front measurement. And both of these measurements are just a hair under 2 7/8. Lengthwise, I am at about 15 7/8, and I'm still going to keep my 3/4 inch thick measurement. We can then progress through the process for squaring a board with the miter saw, the joiner, the table saw, back to the joiner, and then the planer. And these should fit snug but not tight. They will be pushed all the way up against the side rail, but if any part of it is not correct, we can make those adjustments at this point. And we can do that same test on the other side. To install these, we will first apply a little bit of glue, position it into place, and we're going to add a few clamps. And after doing the other side, we can let this sit for 24 hours.